Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Anne-Marie Delmotte. I am a scientist. I conduct research of the energies of the land at the megalithic sites to look how they interact with each other. I did elaborate research at the Loughcrew Cairns in Ireland and found my results to be too important not to write about it. I just published a book with my findings called Unveiling Ancient Knowledge at the Loughcrew Cairns, a journey into the discoveries of the subtle energies, measured with a Lecher Antenna. The book starts with a poem I wrote about the site and my findings that I would like to read for you here today. The poem is called Loughcrew. Loughcrew, on a ridge, 4 hills, covered in shades of green. The air so pure and clean, between Blackwater and Inny, Shannon and Boyne, stands many a cairn, almost untouched, their simplicity and sheer beauty moving many a soul. Built by the ancients many thousands of years ago, whose knowledge of land, stones and folk came to them as easily as the fertile streams flow from the cairns down the hills into the rivers, ocean and sea, to serve all life, all that were, are, and yet to be. Thank you for listening.